If you want to change the mouse pointer size and color on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just go to settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on general management. Now under general management, you will find the option of mouse and trackpad. Just tap on it. Now over here you will find the option of pointer size and color. Now just go to this section, and from here you can change the size and the color of the mouse pointer. As you can see, if you drag this slider, you will increase the mouse pointer size. As you can see, we have increased the mouse pointer size, and if you want to decrease the mouse pointer size, just slide this slider to the left side. And as you can see, we have decreased the mouse pointer size. Just like that. Now, if you want to change the color of the mouse pointer, just scroll down, and under pointer color, you can select any color from here. As you can see in the preview, we have changed the mouse pointer color by selecting a color from here. For an example, I will select this color. As you can see, we have successfully changed the color of the mouse pointer, just like that. And this is how you can change the mouse pointer size and color on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.